Hello, viewer. Welcome back to our Heaven's Pure YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explore the amazing health benefits of home gardening. Welcome to our interactive presentation on the amazing health benefits of home gardening. Whether you have a green thumb or are just starting to explore gardening, you'll be astonished to learn how cultivating a home garden can positively impact your well-being. Let's dive into 20 health benefits that will inspire you to embrace gardening as a way to cultivate both plants and your overall health. Stress reduction. Gardening promotes relaxation and reduces stress levels by connecting you with nature and allowing you to focus on the present moment. Physical exercise. Maintaining a garden involves physical activities like digging, weeding, and watering, which contribute to improved fitness and flexibility. Improved mood. Gardening has been shown to release endorphins, leading to an uplifted mood and a sense of accomplishment. Enhanced mental clarity. Spending time outdoors in your garden can improve concentration, memory, and mental clarity. Vitamin D absorption. Exposure to sunlight during gardening aids in the synthesis of vitamin D, essential for bone health and immune function. Immune system boost. Working with soil exposes you to beneficial microbes that strengthen your immune system. Organic produce. Growing your fruits and vegetables ensures access to fresh, pesticide-free, and nutrient-rich food. Better sleep quality. Engaging in gardening activities helps regulate sleep patterns and promotes better overall sleep quality. Cardiovascular health. Regular gardening can reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering blood pressure and improving circulation. Mindfulness practice. Gardening encourages mindfulness, allowing you to be fully present and appreciative of the beauty around you. Stress hormone reduction. Being in a garden setting can lower cortisol levels, reducing the impact of stress on the body. Social interaction. Home gardening can be a great way to connect with neighbors and the community through plant exchanges and sharing gardening tips. Creativity and self-expression. Designing and arranging your garden space enables you to express your creativity and personality. Enhanced lung health. Plants release oxygen, making the air around your garden healthier to breathe. Allergy tolerance. Exposure to allergens in the garden can boost tolerance and reduce the severity of seasonal allergies. Hand strength and dexterity. Regular gardening tasks strengthen hand muscles and improve dexterity. Emotional well-being. Nurturing plants and witnessing their growth can provide a sense of purpose and emotional fulfillment. Pain distraction. Engaging in gardening activities can distract from chronic pain, promoting overall well-being. Decreased risk of depression. Studies have shown that gardening reduces the risk of depression and anxiety. Sustainable living. Growing your own food and composting kitchen waste contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've now discovered the incredible health benefits of home gardening. So why not start your garden today and embark on a journey of physical, mental, and emotional well-being? Whether you have a vast backyard or a small balcony, anyone can experience the joys and health benefits of gardening. So, let's dig in, cultivate some plants, and nurture our health along the way. Happy gardening! Saves the nature and live in nature. Heaven Pure YouTube channel.